Hi everybody, welcome back to part 5 of Magicycle's series, Behind the Magic. In this episode, we are going to talk about the speed of your Magicycle Cruiser e-bike and also discuss types of modes of your Magicycle, the maximum speeds, and US laws on e-bikes and modifications. So, before starting this video, I would like to suggest that if you didn't see our previous video, Behind the Magic series, please click on the I button to learn more about your Magicycle. Okay, let's start. Now, let's talk about the modes of your Magicycle e-bike. Magicycle has 3 riding modes and can be used as a standard bicycle, power assisted mode, and pure electric mode, what we call full throttle. The interesting thing about your Magicycle is all of these functions are seamless. You don't have to switch between them. There are no buttons that you need to change. You just do whichever mode suits your preference at that time. Let's take a closer look at these modes. So, when you ride your Magicycle as a standard bicycle, the speed would be that of any other bike. Generally, the average speed of a bicycle is about 10 miles per hour. But if you are a frequent rider, you may be able to get up to about 14 miles per hour. And of course, top speed pro cyclists can cycle at more than 25 miles per hour during a competition. So, the amount of power you increase your pedaling as you ride your Magicycle is determined on how intense your pedaling is. Normally, if you're pedaling in assist mode, you're going to get about an additional 20% increase in speed than riding in standard bicycle mode. So when you're in power assisted or standard modes, the speed of your Magicycle relies on the effort that you're putting into your pedaling. Power assist mode increases with cadence, so the more you push, the faster you're going to be going. So how can you get the maximum benefits out of your standard or power assisted modes? Now this is down to Magicycle's 7-gear shift system with a 7-pedal assistant and half-twist throttle. Similarly to riding any other mountain bike, by applying these gears, you can easily adapt to uphill, downhill, flat terrain. You can stop and go riding on city streets. With the throttle on demand and pedal assist, you can get anywhere you want to go. The throttle is there when you need it, and the 7 gears of pedal assist let you regulate your energy expenditure so you can always reach the top. So, in the power area, next to the LCD color display, which is on the handlebars, there is a plus sign and a minus sign. Now, if you press on the plus sign, you're going to get a big increase in the amount of power that you are using for your acceleration. And by contrast, if you press the minus button, you're going to get a decrease in the amount of power that you are getting in your pedal assisted mode. Now, if you look at your LCD color dashboard, the LCD color screen shows you your speed mode. You can even adjust your pedal assistance level. Alright, so if you look at this bike on a standard bicycle mode on the LCD display, you want to set your power to 0, and then you can just pedal as you would any other regular bike. Now, all Magicycles come with a Shimano 7-gear system to switch between gears, just like you would on any other regular bike. This allows you to alter your pedal resistance to be easier or harder depending on if you are going uphill, downhill, or maybe you just want to go faster. So that is the standard mode. Then if you want to go to your LCD screen and adjust the power level to say 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 7, then you're automatically able to use the power assistance or electric mode. And obviously at that point, you just start pedaling and you will be amazed at how much the power kicks in, even at level 1, which is our lowest level of power assistance. It is really strong. Now, if you're not going to use the pedals, you can just use the throttle located on the right of the handlebars, and this will be full throttle mode or pure electric mode, which is really going to engage your battery's power and enable you to cruise without breaking a sweat. Now, I also know some of you guys like to make modifications to your bikes to increase the top speed. Now, yes, theoretically and technically this is possible, but we would suggest you not doing this. By doing so, you probably will create some unsafe riding environments, and I want to express that you should follow the government's law and regulations on e-bikes. We advise not to make any adjustments to increase the speed of your bike. This is not only for your safety, but also any modifications of such will be affected in your warranty. Okay guys, that's it for today, the introduction about Magicycle Speed. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or contact us via our website linked in the description. Stay tuned for the next episode where we will talk about one of the most important components of an e-bike, the motor. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our amazing content. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember, ride free and ride fun.